AI can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to show you with real numbers how we cut our OpenClaw operational costs by over 60% in a single day. The problem was simple. We were using the most powerful and most expensive AI model for every single task. The fix, model tiering. It means using the right tool for the right job and not using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Here's what our tiering strategy looks like. We use the top tier models for complex reasoning, a solid mid-tier model as the main workhorse, and cheap, fast models for simple tasks like monitoring. For really repetitive stuff, we use a local model that costs nothing to run. In practice, this meant switching our main agent from the most expensive model to a more cost-effective one, and moving all our background monitoring agents to a much cheaper, high-speed model. As a bonus, we also went through and trimmed down our system prompts, making them more concise. This cut down the number of tokens we sent with every single API call, which really adds up. The result of these changes was a roughly 60% reduction in cost, without any noticeable drop in performance for our primary agent's capabilities. You can do this too. We've put a full guide, including the prompts we use, in the description below. Check it out.